Money helps us to live the life of our dreams, as long as we're earning plenty and not spending too much. Some people are good at managing their finances and can save more money than others who have similar income, while others are busy balancing their personal expenses with one yearly trip to make sure they have a bed to sleep in and food to eat every day. Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you try, it's still impossible to find ways to save money? You mean well and try to spend less, but something always comes up. Life gets in the way. The car needs new tires. The teenager needs braces. The house needs a new roof. And just like that, saving money takes a backseat. Sound familiar? The truth is, you don't need everything to line up perfectly before you start saving money. If you wait for the right time to roll around, it's never going to show up. The best time to start saving money is right now. Today, we're going to talk about money-saving rules that rich people follow. But before we start the video, please smash the subscribe button and like the video if it's helpful. Number 1 rules to save money is the 24-hour rule. The 24-hour rule is a simple strategy that can help you control your spending and avoid impulse buying. It involves waiting for 24 hours before making any non-essential purchases. During this waiting period, you give yourself time to reflect on the purchase and consider whether it's something that you really need or want. This rule is particularly helpful for those who struggle with impulse buying, where they may feel the urge to purchase something in the moment without thinking it through. By waiting for 24 hours, you can remove the impulse factor and make a more rational decision about whether or not to make the purchase. Millionaires swear by the 24-hour rule. They may not need to give it a second thought before making an expensive purchase, but they give it a day's time before actually making the decision. Impulsive buys happen from an emotional trigger and are often unnecessary. Ask yourself the want or need question and you won't splurge as much. It can also help you save money in the long run by preventing unnecessary purchases that may add up over time. Number 2, an all-cash diet. Cashless economies are good for your wallet but aren't too friendly with credit card bills. People who spend strategically prefer cash over a card, especially for smaller purchases. An all-cash diet is a financial strategy in which a person or household relies solely on cash for all their day-to-day transactions and expenses. This means that they do not use any form of credit or debit card, online payment systems, or checks to pay for goods or services. Instead, they withdraw cash from a bank account or an ATM and use it to pay for everything, from groceries and bills to entertainment and travel. The main goal of an all-cash diet is to help people become more aware of their spending habits and to avoid the pitfalls of credit card debt. By using cash, individuals are forced to think more critically about their purchases and to prioritize their spending. Number 3, set a budget and stick to it. Setting a budget refers to the process of creating a plan for how to allocate your income and expenses over a certain period of time, such as a week, a month, or a year. This plan can include income from all sources such as salary, investments, and other sources, as well as all expenses such as rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, entertainment, and so on. This sounds cliche, but setting a clear budget on your payday and sticking to it will help you save loads of money. The goal of setting a budget is to ensure that you are living within your means. That is, not spending more money than you earn. By setting a budget, you can identify areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments to your spending habits to ensure that you can meet your financial goals, such as saving for retirement or paying off debt. Number 4, invest in services that save you time. According to Business Insider, the rich don't shy away from splurging on services that could save their time and mental agony. They focus on investing rather than spending. Getting your groceries home delivered, using laundry services, or renting a comparatively expensive space to stay closer to work will only add quality time to your life. These things may cost more, but they give you an ample amount of time to do the things that make you happy. For example, if you hire a cleaning service to clean your home or office, this can save you several hours each week that you would have spent cleaning yourself. You can then use this time to work on other projects, spend time with family and friends, or pursue hobbies and interests that you enjoy. Number 5, bills first, rest later. Bills first, rest later is a financial principle that emphasizes the importance of prioritizing the payment of bills before spending on non-essential items or activities. The idea behind this principle is that bills are essential expenses that must be paid in order to maintain a basic standard of living. Examples of bills include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance premiums, and credit card bills. After paying your bills, you can then allocate the remaining funds towards other expenses or activities, such as entertainment or travel. However, it is important to be mindful of your budget and avoid overspending, especially if you have limited funds. Thank you for watching this video on the 5 rules of saving money that can save you tons of dollars. Remember, saving money is not always easy, but it is an important step towards financial stability and security. By implementing these rules into your daily life, you can make significant progress towards building a strong financial foundation and achieving your long-term goals. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.